In this question, you're asked to find the values of tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 and tan of half tan inverse 1 by 5. So how do we do this? So tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. So for questions like this, we have a very general method. We start with let whatever is given here, tan inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to theta. And this implies tan theta is equal to 1 by 5. So if you assume this as theta, so tan inverse 1 by 5, if it is equal to theta, then tan theta has to be equal to 1 by 5. Now, what is the question? You need to find tan of 2 times theta. So the question is to find tan 2 theta. And you know the value of tan theta. So using the value of tan theta, can you find tan 2 theta? Yeah, very simple. So tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That is equal to 2 times 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 25. That is equal to 2 by 5 divided by 24 by 25. So this gets cancelled 5 times, it's cancelled 12 times, so 5 goes up, so you get 5 by 12 as the answer. So tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 will be equal to 5 by 12. Next, let us go to this question. Tan of half tan inverse 1 by 5. Here also we use exactly the same process. Let tan inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to theta, which implies that tan theta is equal to 1 by 5. Now, according to the question, you need to find tan theta by 2 this time. So can you find tan theta by 2 in terms of tan theta? So there is no direct formula for this, but tan theta by 2 can be written as a root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Because 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. This is 2 cos square theta by 2. If you do the square root, you get the root of tan square theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. You have this. Or you can also write it as, so if you use this formula, if you know cos theta and if you know how to find square root, you can find tan theta by 2. But there is a better formula. The better formula is by using rationalization. So what I do is I'll multiply both numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos theta. So what happens to this expression? This expression is root of 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is 1 minus cos square theta, which is sin square theta. Root of sin square theta is sin theta. So you can use this formula also for tan theta by 2. So this is a easier formula because you don't need to find the square root. But here you need cos theta and sin theta. Now tan inverse 1 by 5 is equal to theta. The positive number is going inside tan. So theta is acute. That is, theta is in the first quadrant. So tan theta is 1 by 5. You can very easily find cos theta and sin theta by triangle method. So tan is 1 by 5. So opposite side 1, adjacent side 5. So this becomes root of 26. And cos theta and sin theta are positive. So you can directly use the positive values. So 1 minus cos theta is 5 by root 26 by sin theta is 1 by root 26. So if you take the LCM, you get root 26 minus 5 as the answer. So root 26 minus 5 is the value of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta or tan theta by 2 or this value. So tan of half tan inverse 1 by 5 is root 26 minus 5. Thank you.